Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to strip the rear down and get it ready for paint. That way we can put it all back together, and then I want to build a rear panel to mount some lights in. So we got the mount on the upper and the axle side. I ordered 20-inch straps. My old straps were like 10.5, so the brackets would have been like really long. I didn't want to do that, so I measured these to 21 inches, which will allow for the strap to take some of the load off the coilover through that last inch and allow for stretch. So now let's get this thing stripped down and paint it. Alright, got these tabs welded on for the rear panel, and got these tabs welded up for the wiring, got the limit strap tabs figured out and welded on, and I got the carnage welder welded up, all the bracketry, so everything works. So time to tear this thing down and get it painted. Got everything painted up and back together. I still have to run a couple wires to the winch, and I made some taillight spots, so I'm gonna have to run some wires for that as well. And then I gotta wire in the rock lights. I mounted them, I just gotta wire them. So, almost there. Looks pretty sweet in paint. Alright, I picked up a couple things, some taillights, all fancy like, they were the cheapest for the back panel here. And then I also got a bag, a socket set up with the logo on it, just to, you know, have something on the truck with the logo on it. So that'll be, I'll have to notch this out a little bit to hang the bag. And then I also got a winch line for the front. I've never used this brand, but it's the same brand of winch I have in the rear, also never used. So we'll see how it works. Pretty cheap and local. And then pretty much got to wire up the winch real quick, the switches, as well as the taillights and the winch back here and the rock lights, and then we'll be ready to go. Let's get to work. Get the rear panel all complete, lights wired up, license plate in the center with the fair lead for the rear, just in case I need to use the rear winch besides that for a suck down. And then I did 2 little holes here so that my truss set can mount on the very back and keep trash off the trails. Thanks for watching. Should be wheeling this thing real soon.